This is my second Panasonic Inverter 2 microwave. The first one was bought in 2010, it got a lot of use, and even though it was still working fine, the bottom finish around the rotating ring totally peeled and began rusting. It looked unpleasant and it was difficult to clean because small pieces of white finish would come off every time. Nevertheless, I am very pleased with the microwave and decided to buy the same model. I bought mine at Best Buy where it costs exactly the same as Amazon. One of the things I really like about this microwave that despite its large size it weighs only 37 pounds, some other microwave of the same size are much heavier and they are very difficult to bring in or take out when it is tin. The touch controls are even with the surface of the finish, so the panel is easy to clean. Both the clock and the beeping noise can be turned off if so desired. The inside light is a small LED bulb on the right hand side, it is less bright than the older model but okay. The light comes on when you open the door and it stays on when you cook. The outside size is 19.44 inches width x 23.88 inches depth by 14 inches height. The inside width is 17.5 inches. The glass turntable is 16.5 inches in diameter. The microwave needs venting in the back, so it should not be put flush against the wall, so it requires a few more inches of depth on the counter. Weight 37 pounds. The microwave case is made out of metal. The microwave is located 5 feet from a TV and I have no interference between the two. Overall, I am quite pleased with it and had no hesitation that I wanted to buy the same model as before. Ali Julia review. This is an excellent microwave and I highly recommend it. The size and wattage is perfect. This microwave cooks much faster and more thoroughly than other microwaves. The large interior capacity is great, yet the footprint is smaller than you may perceive. The pictures I've included show the microwave in a standard microwave cabinet. Additionally, the weight is very lightweight for its size. Excellent features for various cooking options. The sensor cooking functions are excellent. I did find I have to time mini and large bags of popcorn for less time than the popcorn built-in settings, but that's not a complaint, simply an indication of how efficient this microwave cooks. When I went looking for a new microwave to replace my previous 1000W, smaller size unit, I researched information on various microwaves and determined this was the preferred unit. After using it, I have confirmed my research to be correct, therefore my high recommendation for the microwave. I've had this microwave for 2 months and assume it'll continue to meet my expectations for a long service life. Got it from Amazon warehouse, so the price was right. Super fast, super quiet microwave. Can defrost ground beef without ruining it and you will have to adjust cooking times down. Best microwave I have ever tried. Beautiful microwave. Although my previous microwave was the same wattage, this one seems to work faster. I also bought a new oven which you will see sitting on top of it. This is the second Panasonic microwave I've bought, last one lived just shy of 15 years. Only issue, it's taller than the other one was. By a good portion, and doesn't fit into the pre-built microwave spot in our cupboards. The copy for this says just under 11 inches. It's actually 14 inches from bottom of the feet to the top, or within 1/8. I have a woodshop in my garage. I'll make it work, just know ahead of time, it's not 11 inches high. 20180613122924 in 1987 I purchased my first microwave for $350. It was a Kenmore 7,218,783,580 microwave and it performed flawlessly from 1987 to last week with no issues. No burned out bulbs or anything. Until last week. A plastic part in the door gave out and made the locking mechanism stop working. The part required to repair the lock is not available and patching up the existing lock did not seem prudent, so the hunt for a new microwave was on. After looking at microwaves and reviews on Amazon, com and other sites, I decided upon the Panasonic NNSN966S as the replacement for my Trident T. I ordered the Panasonic microwave, it arrived on TUE05JUN, and was put into service 2 p.m. Pros, this is a very nice looking unit, it fits well in the space allocated for a microwave in my kitchen, it cooks food well. Cons, I dislike having to press a button on the microwave to unlock the the stainless steel portions of the face, including the door button and the door handle, show finger and palm prints easily. The keypad is not a touchpad or a set of mechanical switches, it is a pad of buttons that seem similar to the ones used on some cell phones where there are contacts are under layers of plastic and pressing the contacts together activates the switch. My luck with switches like this has not been good in the past. Accessing the power level function was very inefficient. On my old microwave, if you wanted to cook something for 2 minutes at 1/2 power, you pressed time +2 +0 +0 +power +5 +start. On this new Panasonic microwave, if you want to do the same thing, you have to press power 100% +power, 90% +power, 80% +power, 70% +power, 60% +power, 50% +T. Old wins. If you want power to, old equals 7 buttons, new equals 12 buttons. This seemed to mean the power button was going to get a lot of use and would probably have issues before the less used buttons on the control panel. Steam condensation appeared inside the door and the inside the time display. Please see attached photos. Red outlined areas equals condensation behind plastic panel. The interior light was a small LED that did not do an adequate job of illuminating the inside, so the cooking process could be moony. There are no handles or hand holds on the cabinet to use when lifting this unit. There seems to be no way to disable the turntable, so if an item cannot rotate freely within the oven, it will hit the walls or slide around on the turntable. Click link in description for more reviews.